My daughter bought me this smart plug. It's called Tantan. It's pretty neat. This is straight out of the package. It comes with two of them in a package for like $18.99. It's pretty neat. I already got one set up and I'm getting ready to show you how to set this one up. It's pretty easy. But out of the package, when you plug it into your outlet, that's the first thing you want to do. Once you plug it in, it should rapidly blink. As you can see right there, I'm going to turn the light off so that you can see it clearly. And if it's not doing this, the only thing you will have to do is press and hold that blinking button for 5 seconds to reset it. And make sure it is blinking rapidly. Okay. I'm going to show you how to install it. So this works with Amazon Alexa also. And this is the manual that comes with it. And it doesn't explain it really good. So that's why I made this video. So just throw this manual to the side and let's do this together. First, like I said, you want to plug in your smart device. And then you want to download the app Smart Life app. And once you open it up, just hit allow. And I already logged in and created a password. So I'm going to just go in and enter my email address. I would recommend using an email address instead of a phone number. Then my password and hit log in. Okay, once you logged in, hit this plus sign up here and you want to add a device. So you want to add that smart plug that I just plugged into the wall. And once you hit it, hit confirm. And like I said, make sure it's beeping rapidly or blinking rapidly. And make sure you have your Wi-Fi password close by, because you have to enter that. As you can see, I'm going to enter my password right here, my Wi-Fi. And it takes a few seconds for this. It depends on your connection. And once it's 100%, it'll say that your device has been added successfully. Hit complete. And once you hit complete, it's done. So you can just click the button and turn it on and off with this app. But here in the top right, you want to go ahead and edit and name it if you want to. Like I'm going to name this one right here, Garage. I already got the other one set up for fan. And hit save. And once you add it, the name is pretty much it. That's done. So I'm going to show you how to add it to Alexa, Amazon. So here you see I already got a bedroom device. There to the left, hit those 3 horizontal lines and hit skill games. And once you hit the skill games, you want to go to the search up here and type in Smart Life. And once you find Smart Life, you open up that device and you hit settings, and down here manage smart home devices, and go to all devices, and you see down there at the bottom is garage. So once I click the garage, I can turn it on or off, or I can speak to Alexa to tell them to turn it on and off. Check this out. Alexa, turn on fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off fan.